Okay, you guys, sorry about that, but I wanted to try to adjust this camera to so you guys can see. So we're only going to do 5 chains of yellow on the old color yellow. So now we're going to loop our work around the needle. Now we're going to double back 2 steps back and down. So when I say 2 steps back, this would be 1, 2, and then down. So we're going to go through that hole. Okay. I'm sorry if it's all twisted all up. Please forgive me. And we're going to pull as high up as we can pull as high up. Do it again. But this time we're going to move on over to the next one. So it's kind of like we're going down on an angle, like a 90-degree angle, but we back stepped. So pull this all the way up. Go down to that next row, but over, pull all the way up. So as you can see now, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of yellow on your hook, 6 rows of yellow. Go down to the next line over. Like I said, it's kind of like we're going down on an angle. Pull that all the way up, loop again. Going to go down to the next row. I know this looks kind of messy, doesn't it? I'm nervous. I'm way better alone. I feel like you guys are here. But if I turn the work around, see, this is the back of it. But once I turn it around, like when it's facing you, it looks so much better than it does. This is the back. So I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like. My show will get better. Just be patient with me. I'm sorry. So we're going to loop it. I'm looking into getting a camera, and I already have the stand, but it's going to get better, you guys. Okay, so we're working our way back up. So it's kind of like we're making a V. So we're going to go down and then back up. So when we get to that point, we build our way back up. The same way we did it down, we're going to do it up. We're just reversing the steps. Loop it. Go up 1. Pull your work through. Now we're going to skip that first row. Skip that first row because remember we skipped that first row anyway because we double stepped, we double tracked 1, 2, and then we went down. We never went into that row before we went down. We went straight, skip to the second row down. Now we're going to take the end of the hook and we're going to pull all the way through the yarn. Take your time. Sometimes you get a little tangled. You got to twist your way out. You got to fight your way out. You got to fight your way out. Ooh. You got to fight your way out. You got to fight your way out. Go through them all. Don't forget to pull your yarn through. Because when we get to the end, we're going to tighten it up just a little bit. Gather everything all up. Okay? Just gather it. Just pull it not too tight. Now, because we want it to, I'm trying to tell you, it's going to look better once I turn it around. This is the back, but this is facing me. So now we're going to close that up. We just made a little chain. And we're going to go through the top row. Remember, we skipped that top row. Close that. I'm about to turn it around so you guys can see, but I'm going to do 5. This is 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to double back 2 and go down the first one. 1, 2, and go down that first one. I'm getting ready to show you guys what we just did. Now, hopefully you can see it as well if you're doing it along with me. If not, I'm going to turn it around anyway. I'm just repeating what we just did. Going down on the angle. Okay, we're just repeating what we just did, the steps that we just did. If you need me to explain it to you guys again, just let me know down in the comment section. I'll do another video for you guys. Maybe you need a different color. Maybe you need me to slow it down. Maybe I didn't explain it clear enough for you. Just let me know. Pull it all the way up. Grab your your yarn, fight your way through. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. See? Make the little spiky stars. This was the back of it. See, the back of it still isn't bad, but see, we made little spikes. And now I know I seem like I just jumped out of nowhere. I'm sorry, but like I said, I'm working the camera. I'm all alone, so my monster is asleep, of course. The best time to do a video, because if not, she'll be right here. Me and her, we are going to build a YouTube channel together. Baking, cooking. It's going to be a trip. So hopefully I could bring you guys along for that ride. We can build up our family. It'll go from Busy Bees to I don't know what she wants to call it. She also has a page herself. We are Busy Bees, aren't we? So what are you guys doing? Like, do you guys have channels? Like, let me know, you know, so I can go over and I can, you know, subscribe, and I can hit that bell so that way I can see all of your new videos every time you guys post. So, you know, hit me back. Let me know what's going on. How's your day going? What do you plan for today? Like, also about the crocheting, like, are you picking it up along with me? Am I moving too slow? Am I moving too fast? Am I not, you know, clear enough? Let me know, please. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it alone for today, but next video, what do we got? What do we want to do? Let me know what you guys want to do. You just want to talk and crochet. You want to sip tea and crochet. You want to listen to music and crochet. Whatever it is, we're going to crochet. We want to get this, okay? It's not easy, but it's not hard either. I'm trying to tell you, if I can do it, you guys can do it. So I'm going to wrap this up because, like I said, I am a rambler, and I enjoy y'all. I enjoy your company. I wish I can take you guys around with me all day. Uh-oh, there might be another channel. There might be another channel. I don't think y'all ready to hang out with me for a day. I'm not ready to hang out with me for a day. Well, anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. If you need me, inbox me, comment below. Follow me on Instagram, Pieces of Comfort. Pieces_of_comfort on IG. But like I said, bring your friends along with me. I'm trying to build a family over here. We're family. We're family. Love you guys. See you the next episode. We will be working. I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer because I'm getting personal. We'll be working on, I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to work on. But we're going to talk. We're going to get in more into detail about each other. So let me know what you guys want to do, and I will be back for you. Love you, my busy bees. Stay busy and stay positive.